Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. Stock number CP15998AT. Gorgeous truck. It's got 48,000 miles on it. Again, it's 2016. We got the 3.5 turbo Ecoboost motor. This truck is black in color. Of course, the Lariat, you've got all kinds of goodies with this one. You've got fog lamps. You've got some painted aluminum 20s on it. Tires look to be great condition, at least 3/4 tread left. Paint looks to be in great condition. Running boards on it. Here's your keyless entry. And now this is the full crew cab. It's an FX4. So it is 4-wheel drive. Black leather interior, buckets in the front. You've got heated seats, cooled seats. A nice panoramic sunroof. Hard to see with this lighting here, but it is there. Big touchscreen radio, hands-free telephone, cruise control. It's got the sync system in it, the Ford system here. Integrated trailer brake control, power pedals, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seats, power driver seat. You've got DVD players, 2 of them, one each headrest. Slush mats, plenty of cargo space. These crew cabs got all kinds of room in here. We've got a power sliding rear window, rear defrost, soft tonneau cover, backup camera, rear park assist. You've got the sensors back here, tow package. Bed liner, spray in. Blind spot monitoring. Body's in great condition, paint. Nice truck. Power passenger seat as well. 2016 Ford F-150 FX4 Lariat. 48,000 miles, automatic transmission, 3.5 turbo Ecoboost. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.